Hi, it's Ellie, and my book was Ready, Fire, Aim. $0 to $100 in no time flat. This book is by Michael Masterson, and he is a pretty big guy. This is his 10th book, and he's a super successful businessman. But as he says in the intro, he doesn't really let his successes get to him, and he doesn't revolve his life around business, which I think is really cool. This book is about how he became successful and kind of giving the reader tips on how to do what he did and get where he got. Throughout the book, it talks about different facts and tips to being successful in your business, and he kind of walks the reader through the idea of the business, how to think of it, and then how to put it into action and the things that you need to do when you have your business and even up until after your business. He just gives like different skills and advice on how to run it, and then talks about employees a lot and how you need to shape your employees as well as shape yourself as a leader to make your business grow and the different stages that comes with that. He talks about what you should focus on a lot in your business and different terms like OSS and tipping point, and also just gives small tips throughout the book, such as like not selling knockoffs and little tips like that. He teaches about how you can always make improvements on your business and transforming leaders and employees, like I said, and overall just getting to the point that your business will run without you because you have done such a good job in building your business to that point and molding it. Next, things that I learned are that the simple things are the big things. I learned that, like, throughout the book, as I was reading it at the beginning, I was thinking that I kind of knew all this stuff already, and it was kind of self-explanatory, kind of common sense. But as I kept reading, I realized that I was thinking about this book in my everyday life. Just throughout my day, I would think about it and then apply it to my life, and realize that reading these things, they're simple things, but sometimes I don't do them throughout the day. And a couple that he gives suggestions for are like hanging out with great people. You want to work with great people, not procrastinating. That's something that you should do with your everyday life. And do what you like to do. Start the business that you want to do, and it will be fun for you. Number 2 that I learned is the stages of growing and molding your employees. This is what he talks a lot about and goes through all the stages. These are the stages of getting employees, and I learned a lot about that and how employees are really important and really ideal to have in your company. The third thing is knowing how to sell your product. He talks about one of the most important skills is to sell. And then he lists 5 other skills that you should have, which are coming up with ideas, selling product, managing systems, developing superstores, and taking action. And those are pretty much the basic, most simple you can get in starting your business in the stages of that. And I think it is interesting when he talks about selling his product because that is the main skill and focus in a business, is selling that product. And so it's cool to see that simplified, but very helpful. The relation to my business that I had, I really thought I would do it by myself, but obviously I've learned that employees are important. I need to have passion for certain things, and I need to be able to be making improvements throughout the whole time of my business. And then my goals are kind of the same thing, to help others and serve and don't just do it for the money, and become the leader of the business that I would want to work